In today's world, our bodies are constantly surrounded by viruses, bacteria, and just stress. You may think you are doing everything you can to protect yourself through proper nutrition and staying active, but is it enough? Sometimes what seems like a good defense isn't as strong as it appears. Think of your body like a house, and the fence around that house is your immune system. Designed to protect, sometimes those fences can't keep everything out. What we need is a wall, a solid barrier of defense, protecting from the inside out. Introducing Immune 3 Plus, an innovative, unique solution from LifePharm Global Network. The first plus, our proprietary OptiShield blend. This polysaccharide complex and combination of 3 powerful mushrooms supports your body's natural defenses, and scientific studies prove it. This special polysaccharide complex boosts the defensive abilities of virus and bacteria-eliminating cells. The reishi, maitake, and turkey tail mushrooms maintain your body's frontline defense against the most dangerous illness-causing pathogens. Together, this special blend gives your immune system the tools it needs for maximum defense. The second plus? Life C Blend. This isn't some typical vitamin C you'd find anywhere on retail shelves. It's formulated with a unique delivery system that allows it to enter the body faster and stay in the body longer. And the third plus? Our special 5-herb and botanical blend. A blend composed of camu camu, acerola, ashwagandha, sea buckthorn, and pomegranate that generates a powerhouse of immunity to colds and infections. Together, the ingredients in Immune 3 Plus strengthen the immune system for advanced 24-hour support to fortify your body's natural defenses against the onslaught of illness. And when you do get sick, Immune 3 Plus packs a triple punch to continue supporting your immune system, even in the presence of the toughest germs and microorganisms. Sourced from high-quality, natural ingredients, Immune 3 Plus even has an enteric coating that helps withstand the acidic conditions in the stomach, making it more effective and readily absorbed by the body. Immune 3 Plus is an essential part of the LifePharm Global Network product line. Designed to give you healthy living, Immune 3 Plus. Unique ingredients for a highly effective defense. The wall your body needs. Available exclusively from LifePharm Global Network.